Why you have to take your aminos away from food. So just remind me
Or
again.
with a piece of fruit or half an
Yep.
apple or something of that sort. Half an
Yep.
apple or something of that sort, tends to work. And just to decide we got involved, tends to work. And just to decide we got involved or I got.
Hey everybody, and welcome to the Kidney Coach YouTube channel. I am naturopath Fiona Chin, co-founder of the Kidney Disease Solution, kidney coach, and of course our supplements Kaigenesis. And today I'm joined by Dr. Rick Cohen. So Dr. Rick Cohen, we've not had on our podcast before. I was blessed to meet him a month or so ago, and I was so impressed by his knowledge that I said, you've got to come on our podcast. So he's a physician and functional medicine doctor with over 20 years of experience in the medical field. And he actually founded the company called Ignite Longevity, which provides personalized assessments and integrative interventions to help people take a comprehensive approach to living longer and healthier lives. So he has a real focus on longevity and inside the longevity space as well. He has dedicated his career to the treatment and prevention of lifestyle and metabolic related diseases, hence why he has some knowledge and skills when it comes to kidney disease. His goal is to help his patients unlock the keys to achieving optimal metabolic health. So talk to me about that, because what I heard in that was that by taking something like essential aminos, and an amino acid powder with your meal, something changes in the way that protein and amino acids are utilized through the body, or if you're taking something like that to bump the levels up. Walk me through that and what that looks like.
Got it. Well, first thing with amino acid powder, it's generally best to take it away from meals or take it with some carbohydrates, because when you start throwing other nutrients in it or other proteins for sure, that delivery system, which is very rapid, gets slowed down. So you're eliminating one of the benefits of an amino acid, and two, you're throwing in other amino acids along with it. That's going to interfere.
Why you have to take your aminos away from food. So just remind me again.
Or with a piece of fruit or half an apple or something of that sort, tends to work. And just to decide we got involved or I got involved in this particular blend and formula based on our work with athletes, and to be able to take something and time it, do the day, during the day, and it's, there's no calories, there's very little calories with it. You can drink it in 10 seconds anytime, so if someone's really training hard or injured, they can take the equivalent of 60 to 70 grams of extra protein, without any burden, just to flood your plasma with these building blocks for recovery. And it makes a big difference. It totally makes a big difference. You take someone who's low protein and you give them amino acids, it's like a light bulb turns on, because they don't realize how they've been functioning in a sort of a lower gear. It's just low batteries.
Fascinating. And it's again, it's what tends to happen in the later stages of kidney disease, unless you're on dialysis, is your protein intake is getting lower and lower. So I think if you're on stage 5,
your albumin's decreasing, and that's
yep. Yeah, and so you don't have enough protein to repair the kidneys, yet we know that because of the phosphorus and potentially nitrogen issues, we can't give it. But if you're taking amino acid powder, like essential aminos, you have none of the issues that we worry about when it comes to meat or protein in a food source, is what I'm hearing, right? So they are completely safe to take in any stage of kidney disease.
That is correct.
We'll get Dr. Cohen back to do those conversations, but anything you want to know in the meantime, drop in the comments below. Remember to hit subscribe and like. That way you'll get notified when we do another podcast with this amazing man. Thank you for being part of our community. And Dr. Cohen, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it, and your knowledge, and I can't wait to have more conversations with you.
Well, thank you, Fiona.
No worries. Thanks, everybody. Bye.